Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Hopper to find the cheapest flights on your iPhone. So make sure you will just download the app. Simply just tap on it the app store, and this is the Hopper flights, hotels and car. You will just have to download it. I will already download it. I will just tap to open it simply, and make sure you will have logged in. After login, you will just unlock the lowest price, and when you just sign up, and I will be just move in the flights. So from here you will just select your from location and where to go. And if I just select like Los Angeles, California, so you will just give them details of traveler. You will have to non-stop only if you want to one way ticket, or you will just fly it multi cities. So I will just tell you that you will just, after selecting your all the way to go, and just simply tap on a departure date. So I will just tap on it. So basically hoppers will show you a color coded calendar. So the green means the cheapest and red is expensive. So I will be just finding in the 2025 February month. So 11th February I will be just find $210 plus cheapest flight right over here. So in this way you will have to use hoppers to find cheapest flights on your iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.